Hello! Today we are going to learn an important topic in cybersecurity called computer virus, components, and life cycle. Don't worry, I'll explain everything using very simple words and examples so even beginners can understand easily. Let's start. Today's lesson is about computer viruses. We will mainly learn two things. 1. What are the main components of a virus? 2. How a virus spreads and works step by step, which is called the virus life cycle. This topic is very important for students, exams, and real-life computer safety. A computer virus is a malicious program that enters a computer without the user's permission. Just like a human virus, a computer virus enters the system, spreads to other files, causes damage. A virus cannot work alone. It always attaches to a file, software, email, or USB device. If you download a cracked software, the virus can come hidden inside it. A computer virus has three main components. These parts help the virus to enter, activate, and cause damage. The three components are 1. Infection mechanism, 2. Trigger, 3. Payload. Now let's explain them one by one. The infection mechanism is the part that helps the virus spread. This component finds new files, copies itself, attaches to programs or documents. Example, when you open an infected file, the virus automatically copies itself into other files, USB drives, sys folders. This is how a virus spreads from one file to many files.
The trigger decides when the virus will activate. The virus may wait until a specific date, a specific time, a user action, like clicking a button. Example, the virus activates on your birthday, after opening the file 10 times, when the computer restarts. Until the trigger happens, the virus stays silent.
The payload is the most dangerous part of the virus. This is the part that does the real damage, such as deleting files, stealing passwords, slowing down the computer, showing unwanted ads, crashing the system. Important point, not all viruses destroy data. Some viruses spy on users quietly. Now let's learn how a virus works step by step. This process is called the virus life cycle. A virus usually has four main phases. 1. Dormant phase. 2. Propagation phase. 3. Triggering phase. 4. Execution phase. Let me explain each phase simply.
Dormant phase. The virus is inactive. It is hidden inside the system and does nothing. Propagation phase. The virus starts copying itself to other files and locations. Triggering phase. The virus becomes active when a condition is met. Execution phase. The payload runs and damage happens. Simple summary: hide, spread, activate, attack. So today we learned heavy checkmark what a computer virus is, heavy checkmark virus components, heavy checkmark virus life cycle. Understanding these concepts helps us to protect our computers, avoid dangerous files, use antivirus software wisely. If you found this video useful, thumbs up, like, speech balloon, comment, bell, subscribe. See you in the next cybersecurity lesson. Thank you. Blue Heart.